Okay, we're going to install a mat for an RXV. First, make sure your cart is off so it doesn't move forward. We want to go over the brake pedal and then over the gas pedal. Kind of get over both, kind of move the mat here, tuck it around the base of the seat, and then kind of flap it forward to the base of the dash. Then from there, we can kind of come over to the driver's side, slide it over a little bit, make sure it's close to the horn there and fits around the pedal. And in the box, you're going to get 4 clips. You kind of place them where you want. We kind of suggest kind of putting one on the left, one on the right, over by the horn, and then the other 2 could go underneath the dash or wherever you really need it. They can be easily adjusted. So to install it, you're going to take the short side of the clip right here, and we're going to go over the gray trim here. And if you need to, if you tighten it, you can actually squeeze the clip together if you need a little more resistance. But we take the short side, slip over the gray portion, and then slide and flip kind of over the back of the OEM flooring, and then push it back. And then we can slide another one right underneath this center dash. That part's a little easier to grab here. And then we'll go over to the other side. And here on the driver's side, there's another area right here. So you can see it's kind of loose. We'll basically put a clip right underneath the dash as well. And take short side over top of the gray trim and then behind the OEM flooring. That'll hold that snug. And then the last clip here, we'll tighten it up a little bit and then attach this far left side to the factory flooring. But you see it kind of flaps forward. There's a little button here which is kind of keeping it from laying perfectly flat. Try to push it in a little further, that'll help. And then just pull this corner up. And we're going to grab the clip here and slide it over and push it back. And that's it. That's how you install the golf cart mat.